So in this video we're going to show you how to fold our new double wall base. It comes flat packed for ease of storage and it's super easy to fold. All you have to do is pre-fold all the creases, taking note that it does create a double wall, so there is 2 creases as you can see. So if you do that on all 4 sides, like so, then it comes together as easy as this. Just tucks in there, which as you can see just locks straight into place. These will fold in. And there you have it, double wall base. Perfect to put your tray straight inside and then your lid on top.